Hi guys! So come and spend the day with me. Today, ang agenda ko lang ay dalawa. One is magka-cafe ako to do some work and then next is magpi-pickleball play ako. It's an open play, so yeah, come and join me for today's. Guys, this is what I got. Spanish latte and then kay Jad naman is ito yung kanya. Ube latte. Sarap yung ube latte, guys. Yan, dito kami bumibili ng empanada and sobrang sarap ng empanada dito, guys. Tapos, 70 pesos lang siya, 'di ba? Imagine. After nito, punta na kami ng court kasi 6 o'clock yung open play and it's already 5:18. Game na guys. So, start na nung open play. Nagdala rin ako ng work here para kung sakaling meron akong kailangan gawing work. Pero right now, queuing pa. Waiting pa ako ng turn ko. First game done and panalo kami so far. Sayang nga hindi ko na videohan eh. Pero sa next game ko, bibidyohan ko guys for you. Yung second game ko is a win. Third is a lose. So, waiting pa ako for more games kasi hindi pa ako pagod, guys. So, may mga na-videohan naman ako, which is I think yung second game. Pero the rest, hindi ko na siya na-videohan. Ina-update ko na lang kayo kung panalo or talo. Yan, update ko na lang kayo later.
Hello.
Sixth game is a win, guys. Let's do this. Uwian time na, guys. Thank you po. Bye-bye po. Yun lang, guys. See you on our next pickleball session. Post pickleball meal namin is sa Eat Fresh, guys. Hindi ko na na-videohan kanina, pero ito yung aftermath. Pakita ko sa inyo.